Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Warm greetings to everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. I would like to take this privilege to thank Brand Opus India for giving this opportunity. Introducing myself, my name is R.K. Goswami, currently working as a managing director in RK Food and Beverages. Our organization is dealing with food and beverages sector, and currently we are operating a mineral water plant in West Bengal. By qualification, I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering in 2015. Born in West Bengal, but my studies and my upbringing is totally in Gujarat. I have completed my schooling as well as the college from Gujarat itself. The idea of business can be said it has been initiated while I was completing my higher secondary exams. ड्यूरिंग द टाइम देयर वॉज अ फेज कि जहाँ हमने ये रियलाइज़ किया कि आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर समवन या गिविंग 12 आवर्स इन अ डे वी आर अल्टीमेटली जस्ट अर्निंग अ हैंडफुल ऑफ मनी एंड फ्रॉम विच वी वॉन्ट बी डू able to do any kind of savings or we can't plan for anything in future. तो बिजनेस की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई? Let's go back to 2000, the year at which another unemployment pandemic struck, not only in Gujarat but also other western states. During the time, my father was just working as a normal employee in a private firm, where suddenly one day he was told that his salaries and all other dues will be cleared, and out of the blue, the greatest shock came. At that time, I was 8 years old and studying in 4th or 5th standard. So the shock was that from tomorrow onwards, he won't be able to come to the job, and all his dues will be cleared by the same day itself. For a middle class family to think about how the survival or how we can, because at that time being a student there were expenses, there were household expenses and all the things that needs to be covered. So it was really like the lightning striking in the midway. So at that time my father came up with the idea that finally we'll start a small scale industrial business through which we can be able to survive at that time. बिजनेस करना ये हमारे ब्लड में नहीं था, बट इट वॉज अ फोर्सफुल डिसीजन एज हिज चाइल्ड वॉज ऑलरेडी very young at that time, and all the different and precisely the future was still at stake. So one day he finally thought, after you can say 2.5 months, one day he finally thought that he would plunge into the business field. Having zero experiences, we started somehow, gilte padte. There were many learnings midway, but yes, finally we established ourselves as one of the most successful and most promising brands in the year 2006-2007. We were working in the field of industrial radiography, like to short everything out, जैसे मेडिकल में एक्सरे या जो भी हम कंडक्ट करते हैं, टू चेक वेदर देर इज़ एनी डैमेज इन द बोन्स और वेदर देर इज़ एनी defect in the bones after fracture or after any kind of accident. So in the same ways, we do the industrial radiography to check whether there is any defect in the weld lines or any other condensing equipments, power plant equipments, etc. So after 6 long years, finally we got success in this business field. From 2006-2007 onwards, the business was going on quite good up till 2009, where I planned that even I will start investing my time in the business. Not just because my father was working individually, but just because of the fact that business का एक अलग ही नशा होता है, and precisely when we are staying in Gujarat, so there you don't need to learn the art of business. It will come accordingly, just we need to put our own hard work in it. So from 2009, along with my college as well as schooling, I started investing my time in business also. After 2012, when I completed my diploma in mechanical engineering, I thought of investing full time rather than going for higher studies. The decision was another shock for my parents, because still at that time I was hardly 20 years of age. So that age is a very tender age to handle a very unique kind of business. But yes, somewhere down the line, there was this confidence and self belief in myself that yes, I can handle it. Because I have been seeing this since I was hardly 8 or 9 years old. So it was nothing new for me. After that, in 2015, finally, after gathering lots of courage, I thought to start with my own independent business that was tying up with one of the best franchises of preschooling in Gujarat. After that, we started working with them for the next 3 years up till 2018. It was a very smooth kind of ride. It was nothing such कि जहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे setbacks face करने पड़े. It was a very smooth ride as we are operating on a franchisee model. But still, there was some grudges that I am not able to experiment or I am not able to do what I want to do, because my fundamental was very much clear. I wanted to do something different, but not just that. In business terms, yes, there should be a profit also, but we wanted to do some kind of a social work. So finally, in 2018, we thought of investing in West Bengal, where people consider it as a threat to the investment due to many factors. There can be controllable as well as uncontrollable situations. But still, we had that self belief over there also that अगर हम गुजरात में कर सकते हैं तो हम वेस्ट बंगाल में क्यों नहीं कर सकते. So finally, we winded up all the things. We winded up our business and everything in 2019, and we shifted to West Bengal and started working on the mineral water project. There were, अब जब प्रोजेक्ट की बात चल रही है या कोई बिजनेस की बात चल रही है, and that too at a totally unknown place, a totally unknown city, so the setbacks and obstacles are bound to come. But that doesn't mean that we need to draw ourselves back. एंड जहाँ पे भी बिजनेस की बात आती है तो येस, आई हैव सम रोल मॉडल्स यू कैन से होम. देखिए, हर किसी का अपना अपना रोल मॉडल रहता है. समवन आइडलाइज मिस्टर रतन टाटा, समवन आइडलाइज अंबानी और एनी अदर बिजनेसमैन और इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. बट फॉर मी देर आर 3 रोल मॉडल्स और यू कैन से 3 पिलर्स ऑफ माई सक्सेस whom I owe each and every bit of credits, due to whom I am able to attain this position today. The first and foremost important person in my life or in my business life is my own father, who has taught me all the minutes of business right at a very tender age. He had that self-belief that he knew that I may fail or I may make blunders, but he had that self-belief that somewhere down the line I can do something or I can achieve something which is still a dream for many other newcomers or many other youngsters at that moment. The second idol or the second most important person is my guardian. He is my maternal uncle, to be precise, Mr. Sandeep Banerjee. He has always taught, like way from the moment I came into this world, he was the first person whom I saw and whom I really idealized, not just as a person but also as a employer. He is currently working with a very well known and a very famous textile brand. So from that he has taught many management preachings, जहाँ से कि like his most important preaching is कि never fail to experiment. If we start experimenting and if we start failing, then and then only we'll be able to learn, and we need to face that criticism. It's not important that we fail, but the most important part is after failing we need to get up and we need to start working from there. The most important takeaway from him up till now was the perseverance and the never give up attitude that he has always taught right from my childhood days. The most important person, and last but not the least, is my cousin Mr. Sanket Chaudhary, who is also working as an engineer in a very reputed organization. To be precise, he is my management guru because he is the person from whom I have learnt the art of punctuality. Because in 2015 he was the one who blindly, without even knowing each other, we were just together in our college days, so without even knowing anything, he had invested not just his money but also his belief upon me In between, I lost my way somewhere in the business because I used to consider that I have attained many things. So at that time, he was the one who brought me back upon track. That he was the one to show the mirror that punctuality and perseverance is the key to success. So I don't shy away from giving the credits that he is the one who has taught me how to manage the things and how to manage the controllable and uncontrollable situations. अब जब बिजनेस की बात चल रही है तो सेटबैक्स तो आने ही हैं, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लर्निंग और यू कैन से कि जो लर्निंग्स हमने सीखे हैं, द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज कि नेवर जस्ट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो समवन कि ये ऐसा कर रहे हैं और हम उसी तरीके से करेंगे तो अपना बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल होगा. नो, the first mistake that I made was the same thing. I always used to idolize and I always used to copy the other people. But that is not the way it has to be. Sometimes you need to not just play with your mind but also with your heart. So my takeaways for this will be कि हमेशा we need to be at our utmost self and we need to always play according to the situation. The second obstacle that we faced was never believe or never trust too much more than it's needed. कभी कभी होता यह है कि हम लोग बहक जाते हैं एंड वी ट्राई टू एस्टेब्लिश अ रिलेशन एज वी आर डूइंग बिजनेस विद आवर क्लाइंट्स. सो there is a relation or a bonding that gets established, but never get carried away by that, because once relation comes into existence in business, everything gets messed up. So it's better to keep the relations and the business apart from each other. So these are the things. This was my life story in a very short time. I hope that many people will get to learn many things out of this. Thank you very much once again, and hope to enjoy being a part of this session. Hope you all have a good day. Thank you.